All right, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 22,388 miles on this. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Beautiful interior color. The suspension feels good. Drives really nice. Really no complaints. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So I do not see any PPF paint protection film on this vehicle. Here on the fender, scanning through all of that. All of that looks amazing. Zero curb rash. Got the white calipers and they are massive. They fill out the entire wheel. Looking at that A-pillar, nice and clean. Side mirror looks good. I don't see any flaws there on that door. We do have a little scuff right there on the passenger door there, but everything else looks good. Zero curb rash on that wheel. The rest of that looks good. Headlights look amazing. So far the hood is perfect. I'm not seeing any gashes. If you look close, there are a couple spots where there are bugs that kind of etched into it. There's a rock chip here, a couple small ones. Otherwise, that front end looks really good. Headlight looks amazing. That fender looks good. Zero curb rash on this wheel. Here on the side mirror, looks like a tiny rock chip there. A-pillar looks nice. That door looks good. Now here on the lower section, because this sticks out, you are going to see the little rock impacts. The rest of that door looks nice. Quarter panel looks good. That wheel looks amazing. I love this paint color. All of that looks good. Got the color match emblems. So far, all of that looks really good. You have a chip right here and a little scratch. The rest of that side looks good. Plastic's clean. I'm not seeing any other flaws there. All right, check out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it smells really good in here. This is kind of a dark gray color, and then you can see the light brown. Memory seating. That panel is really clean. Typical little scuffs on that metal trim. Got the all-weather mats. Looking at that bolster, nice and clean, super soft leather. That bolster looks good. A couple small markings. Here on the steering wheel, has that dark gray color. Nice and clean. All of that looks good. 22,000 miles. Leather up there is perfect. Screen looks good. Now in the right lighting, you'll probably see some really light micro scratches on that gloss black trim, but overall very clean. Here on the front right door panel, upper section looks amazing. You have the memory seating. The handle's perfect. It's kind of a gray color. Lower side looks good. That trim is clean, got the all-weather mats. Looking at that bolster, looks perfect. Same here. I see a small marking right there. And then if you look at the perforated holes, you are gonna see a couple stains, but they're in the actual hole. So if you see that, it looks like something kind of spilled here and stained the little holes, but it's not on the surface. And you have to be in that right angle to see that. That looks good. A couple markings here on the lower side. That upper looks good. All of that is perfect. Got the Alcantara headliner, massive panoramic roof. Here on that panel, looks amazing. Kick plate area looks good. Seat back is nice and clean. That seat looks good, and you can see this one's tilted back just so you can tell the difference. They do recline just a little bit. That middle looks nice. All of that looks good. Then here in the cargo area, carpets look amazing. You have your spare tire right there, Bose audio. You got the shade that you can pull here to hide what's in here. And then of course it is power. Of course, lots of plastic in here, so you're not going to be able to see much, but it is really clean. Underside of the hood looks good.